Welcome to the Ultimate School Throwback Quiz. 30 questions, 30 chances to shine. You get about 5 seconds per question, 1 point each. No pausing. Okay, maybe a little. Let's begin. What is the smallest prime number? A, 0, B, 1, C, 2, D, 3. Correct answer, C, 2. Which ocean is the largest by surface area? A, Atlantic, B, Indian, C, Arctic, D, Pacific. Correct answer, D, Pacific. In a right triangle, which theorem relates the three sides? A, binomial, B, Pythagorean, C, fundamental, D, Pascal's. Correct answer, B, Pythagorean. What gas do plants primarily absorb during photosynthesis? A, oxygen, B, nitrogen, C, carbon dioxide, D, hydrogen. Correct answer, C, carbon dioxide. Who wrote To Kill a Mockingbird? A, Harper Lee, B, Mark Twain, C, John Steinbeck, D, F. Scott Fitzgerald. Correct answer, A, Harper Lee. The capital of the United States is A, New York City, B, Washington, D.C., C, Philadelphia, D, Boston. Correct answer, B, Washington, D.C. What is the chemical symbol for table salt? A, H2O, B, CO2, C, NaCl, D, KCl. Correct answer, C, NaCl. Which planet is known as the red planet? A, Mercury, B, Venus, C, Mars, D, Jupiter. Correct answer, C, Mars. How many amendments are in the U.S. Bill of Rights? A, 5, B, 10, C, 12, D, 15. Correct answer, B, 10. What is the value of pi rounded to 2 decimals? A, 3.12, B, 3.14, C, 3.16, D, 3.18. Correct answer, B, 3.14. Which element has the chemical symbol Fe? A, lead, B, silver, C, iron, D, tin. Correct answer, C, iron. Which U.S. document begins with "We the People"? A, Declaration of Independence, B, Constitution, C, Bill of Rights, D, Federalist Papers. Correct answer, B, Constitution. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? A, brain, B, liver, C, heart, D, lungs. Correct answer, B, liver. Which continent has the most countries? A, Asia, B, Africa, C, Europe, D, South America. Correct answer, B, Africa. Which sentence is grammatically correct? A, me and him went, B, him and I went, C, he and I went, D, I and he went. Correct answer, C. He and I went. The process of water vapor turning into liquid is called A. Evaporation, B. Condensation, C. Sublimation, D. Deposition. Correct answer, B. Condensation. Who invented the light bulb's first commercially practical version? A. Nikola Tesla, B. Thomas Edison, C. Alexander Graham Bell, D. James Watt. Correct answer, B. Thomas Edison. What is 9 times 7? A. 54, B. 56, C. 63, D. 72. Correct answer, C. 63. Which river is the longest in the United States? A. Mississippi, B. Missouri, C. Colorado, D. Rio Grande. Correct answer, B. Missouri. What is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit? A. 0 degrees Fahrenheit, B. 32 degrees Fahrenheit, C. 100 degrees Fahrenheit, D. 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Correct answer, B. 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Which Shakespeare play features the characters Romeo and Juliet? A. Macbeth, B. Hamlet, C. Othello, D. Romeo and Juliet. Correct answer, D. Romeo and Juliet. Which organ pumps blood through the body? A. Stomach, B. Heart, C. Kidney, D. Pancreas. Correct answer, B. Heart. How many states are in the United States? A. 48, B. 49, C. 50, D. 52. Correct answer, C. 50. What is the closest star to Earth? A. Sirius, B. Betelgeuse, C. Proxima Centauri, D. The Sun. Correct answer, D. The Sun. Which branch of U.S. government interprets laws? A. Executive, B. Legislative, C. Judicial, D. Administrative. Correct answer, C. Judicial. In geometry, a six-sided polygon is called A. Pentagon, B. Hexagon, C. Heptagon, D. Octagon. Correct answer, B. Hexagon. Who painted the Mona Lisa? A. Michelangelo, B. Raphael, C. Leonardo da Vinci, D. Botticelli. Correct answer, C. Leonardo da Vinci. The main gas in Earth's atmosphere is A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Argon. Correct answer, B. Nitrogen. In the fraction 3/4, what is the denominator? A. 3, B. 4, C. 7, D. 12. Correct answer, B. 4. Which country shares the longest international border with the United States? A. Mexico, B. Canada, C. Russia, D. United Kingdom. Correct answer, B. Canada. Drop your score in the comments and challenge a friend to beat it. If you had fun, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. More quizzes land this week. Don't miss the next round.